Hello everyone, I am your host Ayushi Kara Sethia and welcome back to our channel Pabbly. So in this video, we are going to learn how to connect JotForm with cloud storage applications automatically. So the idea here is that you have created a form using JotForm. So in place of JotForm, we can also use Elementor Forms, Google Forms, Pabbly Form Builder or any other form building software application. Now when we are receiving the responses in the JotForm, we are also receiving the files. Now we want that all those files should be uploaded to the cloud storage applications. So how this complete process works and how we are going to do this? For that, we need to create a link between JotForm and the cloud storage applications. Here we are using Dropbox for the integration. So in place of Dropbox, we can also use Google Drive, OneDrive or any other cloud storage application. So first let us check this in the real time on my screen that how this complete process works automatically, and then we will learn the integration process in the further steps of the video.
So this is my photo competition form which I have created using JotForm, where I am asking for the first name, last name and email address of the participant along with the file or the image that they have made. And this is the Dropbox account where I have created a folder named photo competition. So now I want that whenever any of the participant fills this particular form and upload the image over here or the file, automatically the file should be saved into my Dropbox account over here. Okay, so I'm just going to fill this form. Let's give the name as Adam, last name as Smith, email address as adamsmith11@gmail.com. And let's upload the file or the image over here. So I'm just going to select this image, that is entry 2 over here, and let's click on submit. Thank you, your submission has been received. Okay, so the form has been filled. Now let us check our Dropbox account. And here we can find the same image, entry 2, and along with the submission ID. So I'm just going to open this image and show it to you. Okay, and here we can find that the same image that we have received through the form submission is saved over here, is uploaded here in my Dropbox account. So now here you might be wondering that I just filled the form over here on the name of some participant, and automatically the file which we have received in the form submission is uploaded here on my Dropbox account. So how did I manage to do this? Let me tell you, this has become possible just because of the automation and the integration process.
So in order to create an integration between JotForm and Dropbox, we are going to use a software application named Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating JotForm with Dropbox automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can use this software application very easily. So first we have to create an integration between JotForm and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect is going to capture the details of the responses that we have received in the JotForm, and using those details, automatically the files will be uploaded to the Dropbox account. And in this way, we are going to learn that how we can create an integration between JotForm and Dropbox using Pabbly Connect. So let us learn the integration process now.
For this, let us type pabbly pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option. You can create your own account in just 2 minutes by clicking on this option. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on sign in. In the all apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on access now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, come to this plus sign and click on create workflow. Here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as JotForm to Dropbox integration. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on create. Now here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want the responses to be captured from JotForm. So open this trigger window. Here in the choose application, let us find JotForm. In the trigger event, we have to select new response. Now here we can see a webhook URL and some instructions. Open your form in the form builder and click on the settings tab. Go to the integrations, search for webhook and paste the above URL in the add webhook field. Okay, so I'll just take you to my JotForm. So these are the forms which I have created in my JotForm account. Here I have created a form named photo competition where I have 0 submissions. So I'm just going to open this form. So this is the photo competition form where I'm asking for the name, that is the first name, last name, email address of the participant along with the image to be uploaded. If you want to add some more elements to this form, by clicking on this add form element, you can add some more fields as per your requirement. Okay. Here we have to come to the settings tab. And here we can find the integrations tab. Click on integrations. Now in the search bar, we have to search for webhooks. Click on it. Now it is asking to add the webhook. So we'll just go to the Pabbly Connect. We'll copy this webhook URL from here. We'll again come to the JotForm and we'll paste the same webhook URL over here. Okay, and let's click on complete integration. Integration is ready. Let's click on finish. Okay, and here we can see that a tick mark is there on the webhooks option. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect. Now here we can see that it is waiting for the webhook response. So let us fill the details in one of the form. I'll just go to the form. Here we have to click on publish. And here we can find link to share. This is the form link which you can share with your participants or the customers. So I'm just going to open this link in a new tab. I'm just going to give the name as Shikha, last name as Arya, email address as shikhaarya22@gmail.com. So as it is a photo competition, I'm just going to upload an image over here. Okay, I'm just selecting it from my downloads and let us select this image. Okay, and here we can see that the image is uploaded. Now let us click on submit. Thank you, your submission has been received. Okay, so the form has been filled. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And here we can see that the response has been captured over here and all the details related to the form submission are captured here. Okay, here we can find the webhook URL. This is the submission ID. Okay, this is the form title, that is photo competition. Here we can find the first name, last name and email address of the participant. Here we can find the image. Okay, I'll just scroll down. Here we can find the image URL and all other details related to the form submission are captured here. So now we want that the image that we have received in the form submission, it should be uploaded on my Dropbox, on the cloud storage. For that, we have to come to this action window. Here we have to search for Dropbox. In the action event, let us select upload file. Click on connect. Here we have to click on add new connection and connect with Dropbox. Authorization successful, and now the Dropbox account is connected to Pabbly Connect just because I was already logged into my Dropbox account. So make sure before creating a connection you are logged into your Dropbox account. Now here we have to map the file URL of the file to upload. So we have already got the image details or the file details from the form submission, the form response over here. So we are going to map this particular URL, that is the image URL over here. So I'm just finding the image URL from the JotForm submission. Okay, and here we can find the image URL. So we have mapped the image URL, the file URL over here. Now here we have to mention the file name. So I want the file name to be the submission ID so that I can trace it. Along with that, the name of the image. Okay, that is the file name of the image. So I'm just going to find the file name, that is this one, entry 3. Okay. Now here we have to give the folder path. Enter your folder path where you want to upload a file. So I am just taking you to my Dropbox account. Here I have created many folders. So here I have created a folder named photo competition. So I want all the files to be uploaded in this particular folder. So I'm just going to select this photo competition folder here in Pabbly Connect. So I'm just going to give the name over here. Now here the instruction is also mentioned. Let us read the instruction. While uploading a file in folder named sample folder, the folder path will be /sample folder. So I'll just add the slash over here and after that the folder name. Okay, and let's click on save and send test request. Okay, and here we can see a response is received. So now let us check our Dropbox account. And here we can see that a file has been uploaded over here. So I'm just going to open this file. Okay, and here we can find the same image that was received through the form submission. Okay, so in this way we can see that our integration is working. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect and I'm just going to save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay, now we have to check this in the real time. For that, I'll just go to the form and create one more form submission over there. Let's open the form in a new tab. This time I'm just going to give the name as Avi Gupta. Email address as avigupta11@gmail.com. Okay, let's add the image over here. And this time I'm just going to upload this entry 1 image. Click on open. The file is getting uploaded. Okay, and let's click on submit. Thank you, your submission has been received. Okay, so the form has been filled. Now let us check our Dropbox account. I'll just close this window. Okay, and here we can find that a new image is uploaded over here. That is a new file. Okay, and here we can see that the same file is uploaded over here that we have received through the form submission. And in this way, we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine. So I'll just move back to Pabbly Connect and I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So first we have created an integration between JotForm and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect has captured the details of the new response and using those details of the form submission, automatically the files have been uploaded to the Dropbox account. That is the cloud storage. And in this way, we have created a successful integration between JotForm and Dropbox using Pabbly Connect.
So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business using Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can visit our Pabbly forum. To check the pricing details of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this particular URL. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.